Hare Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo. We are explaining Srimad Bhagavat first sloka. Very high philosophical explanations are coming. I am fearing that all our understanding or not, otherwise will change my subject and I will do very sweet pastimes of Krishna. But, so, the Rishi Shaunak and others asked Sutta Goswami, the disciple of Sukadeva Goswami, you know everything. You have read Srimad Bhagavatam, all literatures, Vedic literature, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Puran, Upanishad. Now, we are very Shraddhalu, having so much strong faith. Please tell us in a very easy way that how our soul will be happy, eternal happy. And then he told, Sabai punsang paro dharmo jato bhakti rathok kaje ahet tukkab davhitaja bhakti purusha. We have explained all these things. Especially we explained Anna Vilasita Sunnam Gyan Karma Adhyanapitam Anukullein Krishnanusilanam. This is the highest definition of bhakti. We have explained also all these things. So if anyone will do bhakti like this, Vishuddha bhakti, giving up all worldly desires, sense gratifications, no mixture of Gyan, Karma, Yoga, Tapasya, astrology and other things, continuous, unbroken stream as a flow, day and night, all time, India Anugatya, realized and Rasik Vaishnava. Then what will be Vasudevi, Bhagavati, Bhakti Yoga Prayojita, Janyate Asu Gyanam, Vairagyam, Gyanam Tajaya. It is so that here in this process, doing bhakti, then detachment for worldly things will so become. And all kinds of tattva gyan, sambandha gyan, prema bhakti, braj bhakti, all will come. If you are chanting name, if you are worshipping so much day and night, hundreds of Thakurji, doing so many things. But if you have no really Shraddha to hear Hari Katha, to taste in Hari Katha, then what will be? After some time your worship will go away. Your chanting will go away. Your all activity will go away. And you will give up bhakti. So first, by hearing from any bona fide guru, a taste in hearing Hari Katha should come. And that is why in Sravanam Kirtanam first has been told, Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam. Give preference to this. if Harikatha is going on and any superior Vaishnava is telling Harikatha, speaking, give up all these things, chanting and going parikrama to Govardhan and Vrindavan and all. Give up all the activities. It will be later on. First here. If Gurudev or higher class of Vaishnava are telling Harikatha, don't chant. Concentrate your mind in Harikatha. And what will be the result? Very soon, Srinvatang Swakatha, Krishna Punya Savana Kirtana, Hridyantasto Jhabhadrani Vidhano Suhit Satan. Oh, you should try to understand all these things and try to follow. Especially, we should know Nashtaprayesu Abhadresu. Are Hridyantasto Jhabhadrani? Abhadrani. And also Hridaya Granthi, Sarva Sansaya, all are Abhadrani. What are they? These are anarths. First we should know what are these anarthas are. And then by Harikatha hearing, Krishna will come and purify your heart, all will go. You should realize what are these anarthas and are you covered with these anarthas or not. Realize this. Ashram Maharaj will explain what are these anarthas. Kutinati he told. What is the meaning of Kutinati? Don't criticize anyone, especially Vaishnavas. Once, Prabhupada sent some devotee, to preach in West Bengal, East Bengal, or anywhere. They preached very well. And they wanted to establish a preaching center there. They asked Prabhupada, what should we do? Oh, you can. I will be very happy if you will have a preaching center there. Prabhupada told that if you are ready, I am coming with so many devotees. And they were day and night preparing. That preaching center should be so good and fine. All kinds of equipment will be there. And Prabhupada will be there and very happy. Also they made a temple. Deity was also ready to be established by Prabhupada. On the next date, he came. Then he saw everything, he became very happy. Then he told that, oh, that brahmachari, where is he? Who came first here and tried so much, where he is? Then they told that Prabhu, he was very good brahmachari, but he was entangled to a lady. So we rebuked him so much that he fled away from this place. Oh, I don't want to establish a center, preaching center, and to establish deity and anything. You know that from this world we spend hundreds of gallons of blood to bring a person from Maya clutches. Anyhow. And if he is somewhat done mistake, it would have been washed away by chanting and serving Hari Guru Vaishnava. And you have chastised and he has fled away. I don't want to make a center. Search him and bring him to me. Then I will be here, otherwise I will go. All became very anxious. They were searching here and there. And then Sripad Madhav Maharaj, at that time name was Hayagriva Brahma. Oh. He told that I may discover him. And he anyhow discovered. And went there and he begged, apologized to that brahmachari who was entangled with that lady, any lady. Oh, excuse me. Prabhupada is very unhappy with us. Please come. Oh, he began to weep. Prabhupada is very merciful. I was here, serving here in a watch company. But I was not really happy. I wanted to return, but how can I show my face? So I was not returning. But Prabhupada has called. How endless mercy more than Krishna. At once he come running and weeping and fell flat on the Lord's feet of Srila Prabhupada. And his all nerves washed away in a moment. So you should always don't criticize anyone. If devotee no harm, even a worldly person. It has been told in Srimad Bhagavatam, Swabhava Karmani, Swabhava Karmani nan ninde, no prasansya. Don't glorify worldly persons, anything good or bad. If you are doing, all bad activities will come in you and will be spoiled. So, in bhakti, you know Bilva Mangal, you know Srila Prabhupada that I told, I know my Gurudev. To bring a person from Maya classes is very, very hard. If that thing, any attachment, lust, it will go away very soon. If he chanting, remembering, listening Hari Katha, so you should not, you should be very careful about that. Don't criticize devotees or undevotees, anyone. First try to pure yourself, how you are. Is there any lust in you? Or Kutinati is you or not? Be anxious for that, be worried for that. Don't worry for others. Guru is responsible, Krishna is responsible for that. You cannot do anything. Then why you have no right to criticize him? That is for all. Be very careful. Okay. We will gradually explain all these things. So we will have to get so many stages. Krishna Prem is not so easy, especially Braj Gopi Bhav. Anyone have to, for thousands and thousands of births, you have passed. And then in this stage you have come that you are hearing Hari Katha. And if you will miss, everything will be missed. And if you are really following, then gradually, if you are hearing Hari Katha, chanting name, doing all the devotional activities, If Parag is not coming, then what it will be? So we should read all these things only for this. And 10th canto especially. Leela Katha speed. First make ground level. And then here. So we will try to explain Hari Katha, Krishna Katha from 10th canto in the rest 3 days. Here, one day past Anartha Nivritti. Only Anartha Nivritti we had done. And from